Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful Friday, and part of why it's so beautiful is that I do not have to be into work today. But Sherry Ann has noticed, look at that. Oops. That's a nail head right there. I don't know that it goes very far in. The tire's not flat or anything, but we're going to go and have it looked at. So anyway, we're going to head to the tire shop and see what they can do for us. But I'm betting they're going to tell us to get a new tire. We just got back from the tire shop and he checked it out, and it's definitely leaking, just really slow. And he says that it's too close to the sidewall to be able to repair it, so we'd have to get a new tire. But we've got this older, same make and model, that got in an accident. And so I'm going to pull a tire off of there, replace it with the spare, because this is just going to the junkyard, and then replace this tire. Yeah, here we go. There we go. Tires changed out. Didn't take too long. I got a decent jack. I was stuck on the freeway one time in a much smaller car with a flat tire in the middle of January with my dinky little jack that came with the car, and I just couldn't get the darn thing to work. And finally a cop came along and loaned me a better jack. But the next day I went out and I bought this thing, and I gotta tell you, I am so glad I did. It's come in useful so many times. Okay, so that's done with. We can move on to more exciting things. Let's see if this thing has air in it. Okay, maybe it is a bit low. Yeah, it's low by about 10 pounds, I think. Yep. It's at 20, should be at 30. So, yeah, we're gonna have to make a stop at the gas station, it looks like. There's something kind of satisfying about doing some of this stuff yourself. I don't know, it's only changing a tire and all, but it's kind of nice to actually do something for yourself once in a while. And we saved, I think he said, $70 for a new tire. Alright, I'm not sure what our next adventure is going to be. Oops, back up just a little bit there. There we go. We have gotten through all of our necessary chores for the day, and we're going to head out to the Great Salt Lake out by Saltaire and Black Rock. I'm going to see if I can get the drone in the air. I haven't been flying that enough lately. So, I have to be back in, probably about 3 hours. So that's a good short trip, and I'll see you out there. Look what we found, guys. I think those are antelopes. That was a good flight. It's really quite pretty out here, and I love that I get to see it from a different perspective sometimes. I'd forgotten how much fun flying that drone can be, because I've been neglecting it for a while. So yeah, I'll show you some of that footage. I think we're gonna head back. We've got to pick up Annalyn from school, and then I think we're going out to eat, celebrate the new job and all. So I will check in with you in a bit. Okay, gotta run. We are going to we're going out for sushi with family. This is something we've been planning for a while. We just haven't been able to get everybody together. So off we go. We are at our current favorite sushi place. And we're meeting everybody here. The parking lot's really full, but there's not a lot of people inside, so hopefully we got lucky. Yeah, it's empty inside. I think maybe we just beat the dinner rush. We are back home. We had a pretty good time, ate some good food, and I'm gonna call it tonight for the vlog. And I will see you all next time.